The world has changed before us, sweeping all of us off our feet. But one thing I have learned about us all, we thrive on adapting to change. Change, we will recover. Change, we will overcome. Fast cars, let's put aside for a moment because today I'm having a baby during COVID-19. Since COVID-19, I have been laid off from work. The positive, I have so much time with my family.
I gotta get you. I'm gonna get you.
That's my daughter. She's 6 years old and brilliant with an attitude. That's my son. Beware, he's entering his terrible twos.
Give me a hug. You want a hug? Give me a hug. Aw, give me a hug. Aw, give me a hug. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, the tree. There's a bunch.
Today, the Rivera family will embark on an urgent errand for an upcoming baby that is soon to arrive.
Babe, can I narrate now? We know this is a difficult time for many, but we will get through these hard times.
Hey, what's up, Dream Car Driving family? It's your boy Tony. Right now, we're going out to get some essentials during this pandemic, and as you can see, it seems pretty normal. Doesn't seem like anyone's listening, or maybe just everyone needs some food. As you can see, everything seems normal. There's not less people than normal than I would typically imagine. But yeah, let's go inside Walmart. Let's see how everything is in there. I think people are starting to process now that even though this is a pandemic, that this is a serious situation, that people are not going out barging and just buying everything from left to right anymore. I think people are starting to just calm down a little bit. So things like vegetable oil, canola oil, olive oil, things like that are all out. But I do need some vegetable oil, so I'm gonna snag one. I said one. I'm grabbing one. So no one likes to clean toilets, huh? My wife just said go get a case of water. The question is what water? I'm looking, I'm seeing everything, and no. Nothing at all. No water for you. We got one case left at home. One case. When you guys go out, please just get one or two of everything. I know a lot of places have already put limits on what you can get, but come on. Because of this pandemic, we're no longer having a baby shower. We don't even know if we're getting anything from anyone. So we're going out right now to Walmart and we're getting some essential stuff. I said essential, so please don't come after me because I'm out in public. I know I'm supposed to be locked down. But getting some essential stuff. Actually, literally, I really am getting some essential stuff for my newborn baby that should arrive pretty soon. This mama's now in labor. The Rivera family is preparing to leave to the hospital. So we now just dropped the kids off at my father's house. We are on our way to the hospital. So we are finally at the hospital. I got the dad starter pack, family starter pack. I have the first sanitizer right here. I got my moves right here. I got everything I need for the whole entire time I'm at the hospital. Don't forget to bring your car seat with you because they're not going to let you bring the baby outside without the car seat, and they're not going to let you back in. Ladies and gents, welcome to my new studio. Oh, you couldn't see the smile, but. So here it is. This is definitely going to be my bed. I believe my wife's going to give birth over here. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, this is my first time at this hospital. It's a brand new hospital. I usually go to one that's closer to my house. But yeah, we're going to keep you guys updated and see what's going on. We're probably going to take the C19 test shortly. So stay put. Are we going to get tested for C19
Nah,
over here?
we're not doing that.
Okay, because she said she had a paperwork saying that we were.
Oh, really? I think they just screen you.
Okay.
Like check your temperature, ask you
Gotcha.
some questions.
So there you go. You guys got your answer. We are not getting tested for C19. That's a good thing because if you go online and look on YouTube, the C19 process of getting tested, it's no bueno. Shortly after. What's up, Dream Car Driving family? Right now I'm about to eat some hospital food, so let me shut up and let's get right to some eating. So this is our last day at the hospital. I'm having me a veggie burger, trying to stay a little bit healthy with some lettuce, tomato, some onions, with a wheat bun. Then off to my left, I have me a veggie salad, a veggie chef salad. So yeah, and then I have my banana pudding, a little bottle of water, and there she wrote. Hey everyone, it is now morning time. Good morning to you, good afternoon, good night, wherever you're from. We delivered our baby last night at 6:43 p.m. It was an easy delivery, no complications. I thank God for that, and it was pretty short. It wasn't as long as my last child's birth. My wife was in labor with our last child for close to 25 hours, if not hitting 25 hours. A couple things to know when you're gonna have a baby during COVID-19 is you're gonna have to come in with a face mask. You're gonna get screened right at the door when you get into the lobby, most likely by a security guard or someone of that manner. They're gonna check your temperature to make sure everything is fine. Once you get your temperature checked, you're going to get to your next checkpoint, which is obviously labor and delivery. When you get to labor and delivery, they're going to screen you again. They're going to ask you multiple questions. They're going to see if you have traveled anywhere, especially in hot spots such as New York, California, places like Connecticut, Massachusetts, or North Jersey. I'm from South Jersey, so they asked us a whole bunch of questions. They're going to check your temperature. After they check your temperature, they're going to put you in your room and go from there. One thing to note as well, you have to wear your mask for the whole entire duration that you're there. Obviously, if the nurse leaves the room, you could wing it off real quick, get a quick fresh breath of air. But other than that, you have to wear the mask for your whole entire stay. And what I was told from a nurse right from the door was that her mask, the nurse's mask, protects me, and my mask will protect the nurse. So, good understanding, and you know, I was perfectly fine with it. So, understand that's going to be the norm, especially if you're taking pictures with your baby. It's probably going to be with your mask on, like me and my wife had to. Probably my biggest fear coming to the hospital was that our doctor told us that we were going to get screened for COVID-19. So immediately when I heard that, I jumped onto YouTube, as I normally would, and I looked up, you know, the procedure of getting checked for COVID-19, and I saw that they stick this large Q-tip, I guess, up your nostril, smack it inside your noggin, and get a good whiff of what's going on in there. And I was not looking forward to that whatsoever. So it was a big relief that we did not get screened in that manner. All we have to do is get checked every 12 hours for our temperature. So here's my son. He is a handsome little guy. He scratched his face up a little bit since we didn't put the gloves on immediately. So right now he's Scarface for now. Or Scar from Lion King. Downside, wearing the mask the whole entire time, okay. Not a big deal whatsoever. Getting your temperature checked every 12 hours, okay, that's not a big deal. On the upside, they're now, since this is a pandemic in the United States, they're gonna try to get you out within or at 24 hours after the baby has been born. So, for instance, our child was born at 6:43 p.m. yesterday. They're gonna try to get us out at least by 7 or 8 p.m. today. As long as you don't have any complications, or mommy doesn't have no problems, or the baby doesn't have no problems, you're good to go after 24 hours after the baby is born. I'm Tony Rivera. This is Dream Car Driving, and I hope you enjoy your wonderful day, wherever it's at.